Chicago people! Lean back, shot rack 2019 on someone else's bike.
Make it bounce.
So I just landed a couple hours ago at Chicago, and my bike's not going to get here till tomorrow, so we are picking up the rental right now. You guys will not believe this thing. Wow. So obviously it's a dirt bike, pretty much a full-on dirt bike with some Supermoto accents on it. I'm gonna roll her out and give you guys a better view. Alright guys, check this thing out. It's a 2017, I want to say, Honda CRF 450R. So this is pretty much the race version of my 450L. Way lighter, way faster. I think it's got like 50 horsepower. My 450L has like 40 horsepower. So this thing is definitely way more of a monster. So I'm riding this just for today, and then I'll have my street bike tomorrow. But big shout outs to Supreme Queen Stunts right here on Instagram. Give him a follow. This kid actually rips this bike, so I'm definitely not doing any justice when I ride this bike today, since it's totally out of my element, but it'll still be fun. Oh, this bike's gonna be sick, people. Not needing to kickstart it. Warp 9 Supermoto wheels, 17 inches that you can get at moto.store. What else? Got a light bar on here. RSC clutch lever, Brembo handbrake. I think that's about it. A Service frame guards and a scraped up tail. Like butter. Oh, this bike is sick. Woo! Yeah! I approve of the rental. Brian hooking it up. Everybody be sure to shout out Brian 636. Woo! Let's go. 5 minutes into Chicago and chill. Woo! I guess it ain't that bad. My bike ain't here yet. This thing is nice. Oh, she's hating this highway though. So far, I'm loving this 450R. It just feels right. Stock exhaust. Cruising through Chicago. Hell yeah. Woo! Make a U-turn, make a U-turn. Chilling in the back. Yeah, I found the pack. What's up, dude? What up, Mike? What's happening, dude?
How you doing? He said lay it over.
What's that?
Fuck it.
That's cool.
That's how we roll. That's what dirt bikes do.
Dirt bikes do what dirt bikes gonna do.
Bro.
This thing's sick. It's got power at all powers. What's up, dude?
You know you can rock mine whenever, brother.
Dude, I'm ready. I got mine coming too tomorrow.
Yeah, who's bringing that?
Nasty Nate and Jarvis.
Oh, yeah.
I just heard he was. What's up, dude? Definitely feels like my 450 with way more power, so it makes the wheelies a lot easier. Blips right up without any delay or anything like that.
Buy a Honda.
Yeah, buy a Honda dirt bike, Cowie street bike. Alright, let's play the game. How long can my water stay inside my handlebars? It is very humid in Chicago today, guys. I'm feeling out everybody right now. New bike, new set of riders. Kind of want to figure out how everybody's riding first. This guy's riding into oncoming. All this is legal though. Killing that 250. There you go. What's Rick out here doing? Woo! Oh, it's still up. Nuts. I guess I gotta do some burnouts. A little something. I ain't my tire to be destroying though. That thing's sick, dude. Got the bike matching that helmet perfect. Think about that bike life. My man got the full armor on though too. I'm digging it. More geared up than us. Perfect. I had a cop waving and stuff. He swerves at the cop and the cop's like, hey, what's up, buddy? See how it does. What? Like butter. This guy's killing it right here. Oh, that bottle of water is way gone. Forgot to check on it. Woo! Pulling that clutch in. Clicking it down. Man, once you learn how to ride a dirt bike, it's so fun. That's coming from someone that still is trying to learn. Oh, we got a little jixer. I wonder how Stoppy's feeling this thing. How's that Cowie looking? Woo! She getting spicy. Rick out here. Guys, wait till Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is just the free rides. All the early birds getting here in town. What up, Brian? Woo! You guys probably wonder why I do the woo! That's because that's like my little 10-year-old coming out until some dopeness happens. both suck at stoppies. Ooh-wee. Woo. Slow him up. Yeah. Yes, sir. That boy cold. Chicago people, lean back, Chirac 2019 on someone else's bike. Oh yeah. Yeah, this bike's a blast, guys. Big shout out to Supreme Queen Stunts once again. That wheels up, baby. Hey, let's go. Ants on out here. Woo! That's a stretch. What's up, Chris? What you got? Okay. Going underground, people. It's so sick right here. I'm doing a little bit better than I thought I would be on this 450. It's a fast bike. It's really hard to keep slow and calm, especially in tight groups like this. Everybody's got stunt gearing and stuff. So what do you guys think? We got to squeeze in a little Supermoto content on the Chicago trip already. It wasn't the plan. I didn't know what I was borrowing, but I'm happy with it. These bikes are a lot of fun. I suck at rev limiters. 2017 450R. Shout out Supreme Queen Stunts. We out here in Chicago, people. Woo! Yeah, let's go. Cut him up. Keep it going. You got this. You got this. Let's go. Let's go. Take it. Oh, it's an on-ramp, baby. We still riding. Yeah. I won't get in that man's way. Let him do his thing. He's out here. I might have to go and hop on the 450 when I get home. Woo. In the running shoes, people. Slow and steady. Yeah, once you get some open roads, this thing likes to work. One-handed power wheelie up and forth. Yes! What you doing? He's got like a bag in his gas cap. It's a normal day in Chicago. My man Jer's out here throwing that one-hander. Woo! Stretching him up, boy. Woo! Getting dirty out here. My boy Jer's cracking him up. Man, we gotta stop soon. My battery about to die. Sorry if it does. Hey, let's go. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the rest of the Chicago adventures. Like always, keep it dank. Later.
It's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it